In civics, lesson number 1, the Union Legislature. Today we are going to see about the Speaker and the advantages of the Lok Sabha subtopics. The Speaker. Speaker is the presiding officer. He is directly elected by the House of People. He is an important functionary person in the Parliament. There is no specific qualifications required for his posting, but it requires only he should be a member of the House. Speaker and Deputy Speakers are elected by the House of People. M.V. Maulankar is the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha in the Indian Parliament. Method of election. After general election, when a new Lok Sabha is constituted, the Speaker is elected by the member of the Lok Sabha in the first meeting. He also can re-elect. G.V. Maulankar is the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha of Indian Parliament. Term of office. The Speaker holds the office from the date of the election. He vacates it immediately before the first meeting of the newly constituted House. The Speaker may resign at any time, but the resigning letter should be handed over to the Deputy Speaker. He can be removed by the resolution 2/3 of the majority of the House, and that should be informed to the notice of the knowledge to the Speaker as well as Parliament 14 days before. Powers and functions of the House. Number 1, regulating the business of the House. In this, he is presiding the meeting of the House. He can also order a member. He decides the admissibility of the question, resolution and adjournment motion, and he is the guardian of the rights and privileges of the House of the People. Disciplinary functions. The Speaker maintains the order in the House. Unparliamentary words may be removed by him in the parliamentary proceedings. Anti-Defection Act of 1985, Speaker can disqualify the member of the House. Administrative function. The Speaker receives all petitions, documents addressed to the House. He communicates the decision of the House to the concerned authorities. He allows the admission of visitors and press correspondence to the galleries of the House. Supervisory control. All the committees are directed by the Speaker. Speaker nominates the chairman of the parliamentary committees. Any problem in the functioning of the committees are referred to the Speaker. Other powers and functions. The Speaker presides over the joint sitting of the Houses of the Parliament. The Speaker nominates the consultation with the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Advantages of a Lok Sabha. Number 1, House of People. The Lok Sabha is rightly named as the House of People, as it gives the representation to the people. That is what it considers as a mini India or mirror of India or voice of nation. Number 2, maker of the government. The government is formed by the members of the Lok Sabha on the invitation of the President. The President appoints the leader of the majority party as a Prime Minister of India. The Prime Minister advises the Council of Ministers to appointed by the President as a Council of Ministers. Number 3, may throw out of the government at any time. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. It has to resign if it loses the confidence of the Lok Sabha. Number 4, the financial powers. Lok Sabha is a supreme authority over the financial affairs, which means money bill and the annual budget only can introduce in the Lok Sabha by the financial minister. After the passing the bill of a financial bill, Rajya Sabha has to give the assent, 2/3 of the majority. If it delays, it can hold the bill only for the 14 days. After the 14 days, the bill may be sent to the President to get a sign. Number 5. The educational role of the House. The Lok Sabha plays a vital role in the spreading of political awareness among the people through the debates and discussion. Example, the opposition party can critique the government and their work. Because of the numerical strength, it has the greatest say of the elections of President and Vice President of India. It can dissolve the member or dismiss the member in the name of a impeachment process. That is, Supreme Court judges, High Court judges are impeached by the Parliament. For more details, refer the text, and thank you, students.